What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about fix origin MSVCP140.dll and VCRUNTIME140.dll origin setup 0xc00007b not opening. We will discuss how you can fix all of these, and we are gonna tell you 5 steps to fix the problem, and it's gonna fix your problem for sure. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button, select all on the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave your feedback in the comment section. Before we start performing the troubleshooting step, you have to make sure a few things which is necessary. In this tutorial, we will list everything from basic to advanced so that you can fix your origin error without having any trouble. Step 1. Administrator account. You must log in to your administrator account to perform all the troubleshooting step. To check if you are in administrator account or not, click on Windows icon, type here Control, click on Open, click on User Accounts, again click on User Accounts. As you can see, it's showing me Etechniz Local Account Administrator. If you have this administrator written in here, that means you are in your admin account. If you are not getting this, then you will see standard in here. If you are getting standard, that means you have to log in to your administrator account. Step 2. Disable antivirus program. Sometimes antivirus causes lots of problem when we are trying to run application on our PC. So it's important to disable it from your computer. However, I like to suggest you to do troubleshooting while keeping your antivirus running on your PC. If it works, then you do not need to disable it. If it not, then the link is given in the description to disable your antivirus. Watch that video and you can disable your antivirus within no time. Or if you have different antivirus, then you can check few things. On the right bottom side on upside arrow, you have to click on this arrow and you'll get your antivirus listed in this tray. You just need to do a right click on it and it show you the option to disable it. Step 3. Download MSVCP140.dll and VCRUNTIME140.dll. These are the important files you need to download. For that, open your Google Chrome browser. As you are in the safe search provided by Etechniz, enhanced by Google, if you do not want any malicious website to be listed on your Google search and you want your search to remain safe and secure, then you can search on the Google Safe Search in here. They do not keep any kind of data, so it's really secure and safe for you. Here, type download MSVCP140.dll. You will see the listings in here. Click on the first result. You will see this page come up in front of you. If you have 64-bit version of Windows, then you have to click in here. If you have 32-bit version architecture, then click here. As I have a 64-bit version architecture, I have to click here. But I like to tell you how you can check your bit version architecture. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, hold it down, and press pause break. You'll see the information, your system type. As you can see, I have 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna download the 64-bit version file. If you are not able to perform the Windows icon and pause break, then you can click on this Windows icon, click on the settings, you'll be on this page, click on system, click on about, and you can able to see your system type. Let me click on download. As you can see, it downloaded on my PC. After downloading this, I have to download one more file. As I already told you about, the second one is VCRUNTIME140.dll. So type in here and click on this search. You'll see the same website showing you .dll file. Click on this result, scroll it down, select your file as per your bit version. Click on download. As you can see, it's downloaded on my system. Let's click on show all. Let me click on show in the folder. Select both of them and extract both of them. As you can see, I have the extracted files in here. Now we have to perform the step 4. Paste DLL file in SysWOW64 folder. First, I need to copy both of the file. For that, I need to move this file into download folder. I know there is the easiest way as well, but lots of users do not know how to use that function. So that's why I'm doing this in the simplest way, by which I can show you both of the file to paste in that folder. On your keyboard, on the left bottom side, there is a key, control key, the CTRL key. Press and hold it down and click on this file. Once this file is selected, click on this one, VCRUNTIME140.dll. Now do a right click and click on copy. Click on this PC, double click on local disk, double click on Windows. Here you have to search for SysWOW64 folder. Double click on it. Once you are in the folder, do a right click, paste the DLL files in here. Do a right click and click on paste. Your PC asks you to provide the administrator permission to copy to this folder. Click on continue. Alright, both of them added to this folder. Step 5. Download Visual C++ redistributable runtime all-in-one software. Let me show you how you can find it. Type in the safe search, download Visual C++ redistributable runtime and press enter. You'll get this result. Click on it. Click on download in here and make sure you select the lowest server load. As you can see, it's showing me server load 4%, server load 3%, 2%, 1%, 1%. So select this one and it is start downloading on your PC. Let's wait until it's download on your PC. Alright, it's downloaded. Click on this arrow and click on open. Here, do a right click and click on open. Click on extract. Once it's done, double click on it. Now it's installing the C++ redistributable version from 2005 to 2019. So as it's asking me user account control, whenever you'll see this user account control, you have to click on yes. Whenever it's installed the Visual C++ 2011, 2012, so you have to click on yes every time. You can see the numbers in here. This is kind of lengthy process. However, if you have good configuration of hardware PC, then it's not gonna take that long. After it's done, click on Origin and open it. That's how you have to fix this error. That's all for today. Leave the feedback in the comment section if your problem resolved or not. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.